Hi everybody, Jennifer Blevins-Smith with Integral Clinic Solutions, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Navigating the Business of Medicine. Today I want to talk about the STAR clause, specifically to billing for services rendered to family members. First, I just want to let you know before we jump in that my website is up and running, www.integralclinicsolutions.com, and you will find my blogs page there where my husband is taking the videos and putting them in blog form so that you would be able to reference them at a later date, as well for those of you that prefer to read the information instead of just hearing it. There's also a resources page, so make sure you check it out. All right, the STAR clause. You may or may not be familiar with the STAR clause, but it goes hand in hand with some of the anti-kickback situations when it comes to healthcare. And the STAR clause is very specific, especially with treating and billing family members. Basically, it's saying that you can't treat a family member for something that you would normally not charge them for, like something simple, acute, whatever, and then turn around and bill the insurance company for those services to get paid. There's a lot more to this, and I really encourage you, if you do have a tendency to treat family members and bill their insurance companies, to discuss this further with a healthcare attorney, because I am not an attorney. I am not trained legally. I just know that it's not okay in many situations to be treating and billing for immediate family members under the STAR clause. And under the immediate family members, it's not just spouses or partners and children, it's also parents, in-laws, grandparents. They have a list, and Medicare is very, very strict about this, and I'm sure the commercial insurances are as well. It's not something you want to get in trouble for. I have worked with a provider who billed out imaging, advanced imaging for their son in his practice, and he got in a lot of trouble. He had to give the money back, and he got a ding on his license for it. And I just don't want that to happen to people like you, where you think you're doing something very innocent, you don't see the wrong in it, and you end up getting in trouble anyway. So I would definitely consult with a healthcare attorney if you are seeing your own family members, treating them, and billing the insurance. I don't want you to get in trouble, and they will be able to guide you the best. This is basically just an FYI video to be like, hey, this could happen. This is an issue. You need to investigate it further. I'm just kind of putting my awareness out there to you so that you can take it and do what you need to with it. The other thing is you cannot bill your insurance, your personal medical insurance, for services on yourself that you rendered to yourself. And I know that might sound obvious, but I've actually ran across some providers who have provided themselves with an injection or a treatment or something, and then they try to bill their insurance for themselves as the rendering, but them as the patient as well. And that is a huge no-no. Like, don't do that. It's not smart. Just don't. It will put you on lists you don't want to be on. It will cause red flags at the insurance companies, and you just don't want to invite that. So don't bill for your own services under yourself as the provider. And as the patient, don't do that. When it comes to billing for your family members, even if they have different last names, different home addresses, whatever it may be, I just would feel a lot better if you talked to a healthcare attorney about all the ins and outs of this and the STAR clause, any anti-kickback statutes that could be existing out there as well, so that you don't get yourself in trouble. If you have any questions or comments about that, you can leave that in the comments below. But to be honest with you, again, I'm not an attorney. I'm not trained legally about this kind of stuff. I am just aware of it, and I just wanted to bring it to the surface so that you are aware and you can try to avoid any legal issues or any kind of putting yourself in liability spots in the future. Smash the thumbs up button if today's video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please share with your colleagues whom you feel would benefit from the information. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.